Hello, hi friends. This is Sridhar. You are watching Sridhar Studies యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం డీసెట్కు సంబంధించి 7వ తరగతి నుంచి ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నలను ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో తయారు చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది. మనకు పార్ట్ ఏ కింద 10 మార్క్స్కు సోషల్ స్టడీస్ నుంచి 6వ తరగతి నుంచి మరియు 10వ తరగతి వరకు బిట్స్ అయితే రావడం జరుగుతుంది. కావున ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో 6వ తరగతి గురించి చర్చించుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు 7వ తరగతి గురించి ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ అయితే మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. ఈ బిట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా 7వ తరగతి మొత్తం సిలబస్ ఆధారంగా ముఖ్యమైన వాటిని సేకరించి తయారు చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది. కావున ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ గమనించి వీటిని నేర్చుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తున్నా. ఓకే, మనం అవి ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయనేది అయితే ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Question number 1. Dash sea separates Europe in the north from Africa in the south. Answer: Mediterranean. Mediterranean. Answer: Mediterranean. The second question is the second smallest continent in the world. Is the second smallest continent in the world. Answer: Europe. The third question: mountain range of Europe are covered with snow all the year round. Answer: the Alps. The fourth question: dash is and international river. Dash is and international river. Danube. Answer: Danube. Fifth question: dash is a peninsula. Dash is a peninsula. The answer: Italy. The sixth question: industrial revolution first started in. Answer: England. The industrial revolution first started in England. Columbus set out with 3 ships in dash to cross the Atlantic Ocean. 1492. Answer: 1492. The eighth question: in India, dash percentage of land is cultivable. 55%. Answer: 55%. Ninth question: about dash years ago the people of Europe discovered the sea route to America. Answer: 500. Dash are used for making wine. Grapes. Answer: grapes. The next page was open. First question: an extension of saline water on earth is sea. The next question: the rhythmic rise and fall of the water in the oceans every day or tides. The third question: ocean water is always saline. Answer: saline. Fourth question: dash provides natural highways for international trade. Answer: oceans. The fifth question: the ocean floor is consist of all the above ante hills, mountains, trenches. The sixth question: the cost of mechanical boat is around Rs 6 lakhs. The next question: the fishermen return from the sea between 1 p.m. and 8 p.m. The next eighth question: the waves of the fishermen known as Berakatte. Answer: Berakatte. The ninth question: the meaning of Kannulu is. Answer: rings. The 10th question: the principal goddess of Bhavanapadu village is Gangamma. Answer: Gangamma. The next page was open. The first question was, the Rajamandri paper mill is in dash district? Krishna. Answer, Krishna. Next question, a paper mill requires dash megawatt every year. 23. The third question, production is done at home by small families. Answer, handicraft. Now dash nowadays dash used instead of bamboo. Answer, subabul. The next question, paper is actually made in dash stages? 5 stages. The sixth question, the paper mill runs dash hours in a day? 24. The next question, this country is imports Indian paper? Nigeria. The next question, dash employees get provided fund? Permanent. Answer, permanent. This stage is an important stage in the paper making. Answer, spreading the plump. Spreading the pulp. The next question, roads laid along international boundaries are called border roads. The next question, the number of airports in Andhra Pradesh? 6. The third question, is the largest sea port in Andhra Pradesh? Visakhapatnam. The fourth question, dash is the costliest and fastest mode of transport? Airways. The fifth question, dash is the cheapest mode of transport? Waterways. The sixth question, in 2001 nearly dash of the villages had transport in facilities? 3/4. The next page was open. The first question, Nagabhatta was the king of Pratihara. Answer, Pratihara. The next question, Gwalior inscription was written in Sanskrit. The next question, this is the work of Kalhana. Answer, Rajatarangini. The fourth question, tripartite struggle was between all the above? Gurjara, Pratihara, Rashtrakuta, Pala. All the above. The next question, this temple was looted many times by Muhammad Ghazni? Somanath. Answer, Somanath. The next question, Kitab al-Hind was written by A1 Biruni. Answer, A1 Biruni. The next question, the founder of Chola kingdom was? Answer, Vijayawada. He built the town of Tanjavur. Answer, Vijayawada. The next question, the most powerful Chola ruler was Rajaraja I. Answer, Rajaraja I. The next question was 10th question, Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple was built by Rajendra I. Answer, Rajendra I. The next question, the traders set up small workshops called manufactories. Answer, manufactories. In about AD, methane and steam power began to the increasingly used to produce goods. 1750. All facilities for production were owned and managed by individuals called capitalities. The following is James Watt invention. Answer, steam engine. The next question, the invention of steam engine boosted shipping. Answer, shipping. Production was carried on in a place called factory. Answer, factory. The beginning of methane age started in Britain. Answer, Britain. The next question was, the factory system was emerged during this period? 1750 and 1850. Dash invented the first locomotive? George Stephenson. Answer, George Stephenson. The last question was 10th question. In the century, the industrial workers of the Europe had to face several hardships. 19th. The next question. Who was the Queen of England? 16,000 ad. Elizabeth I. The next question. Vasco da Gama discovered sea route to the India in the year 1498. The next question. Which India product had a big market in Europe? Cotton and silk. The next question. In 1764 AD, the following ruler sent army to fight against the French company. Anwaruddin Khan. Answer Anwaruddin Khan. The last European power to entered into India to establish trade relation with it was Holland. Answer Holland. Dupleix was government of French East India Company. Answer French East India Company. The next question. Machilipatnam town was given to French by the king. Muzaffar Jang. Answer Muzaffar Jang. The next question. Who was Muzaffar Jang? The Nizam of Deccan. The Nizam of Deccan. The next question. When did the Battle of Plassey took place? 1757 AD. The next question. Number 1. The number of districts in Andhra Pradesh. Districts in Andhra Pradesh 13. Who coordinates the work of all department in the district? District collector. How many mandals are there in Nallavaram district? 5. Nagul announced a relief compensation of 10,000. The next question. Nagul announced a relief payment 20,000. The Andhra Pradesh Water, Land and Trees Protection Act enacted in 2002. The next paper was open. The first question is most popular folk goddess of Andhra Pradesh, Pochamma. The next question. Dash is believed to protect the cattle, Maisamma. The third question is worshipped as goddess of water, Gangamma. Fourth question is believed the goddess of boundaries of the village, Ellamma. Dash looks after the agriculture land and protects the crops from the dreadful diseases, thieves and animals. Potharaju. Answer Potharaju. Sixth question. Dash are considered as protectors of cattle and sheep. Both 1 and 2. Birappa Katamaraju. The next question paper was open. The first question was Advaita philosophy was advocated by Shankara. Answer Shankara. The next question. Shankara was born in Kiledi village of Dash state, Kerala. The third question. The devotees of Vishnu were known as Alvaras. The fourth question. Ramanuja was born in century 11th. The Ramanuja propounded the doctrine of Vishishta Advaita. The sixth question. Veerashaiva movement was invented by Dash, Basavanna. The seventh question. Who belongs to the untouchable Mahar caste? Choka Mela. Answer Choka Mela. The next woman saint poet belonged to Maharashtra, Sakkubai. Answer Sakkubai. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ విధంగా మనకు 7th క్లాస్ సోషల్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నుంచి అయితే ప్రతి లెసన్ నుంచి కూడా ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి బిట్స్ని తయారు చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది. వీటన్నిటిలో కూడా ఏదైనా మనకు డీసెట్ ఎంట్రన్స్ సంబంధించి ఏదైనా అడగవచ్చు. కావున ఇవన్నీ కూడా నేర్చుకోండి. పీడిఎఫ్ కావాల్సిన వారు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నా నంబర్ ఉంటుంది. నా నంబర్కు మెసేజ్ చేయండి. మా ఛానల్ మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అదేవిధంగా సపోర్ట్ కోసం లైక్ చేయండి మరియు ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మీ మిత్రులకు మరియు మీ రిలేటివ్స్కు షేర్ చేసి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.